Number 1. 1991 Ford F250, price $8,995. This is an all-original, well-preserved truck with a clean title and just 127,000 miles. Originally from Washington and North Carolina, it features a two-tone brown exterior, brown interior, and classic chrome package. Powered by a gasoline engine and equipped with a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, this 2WD long wheelbase model is both reliable and versatile. Comfort and convenience features include power windows, power door locks, power steering, power brakes, and cold AC. Inside, it boasts an uncracked original dash, working dash lights, the original radio, and door speakers. Working wipers, OEM badging, Ford mudflaps, and a fifth-wheel hitch add to its utility and originality. Recent maintenance includes Michelin 235/85 or 16 tires, a new master cylinder, brake booster, rear calipers, brake hoses, new window motors/regulators, and an AC compressor harness. This F250 is ready to drive and enjoy, just as it sits. Number 2. 1984 Ford F150, price $7,000. This is a classic single-cab short bed pickup that has traveled 155,000 miles. Finished in a bold red exterior with a matching red interior, it is powered by a reliable 4.9L 300 cubic inch inline-6 engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive and rear-wheel drive. This truck features power brakes and power steering, making it easier to handle both on and off the road. Additional conveniences include heat and defrost, an automatic choke for smooth cold starts, vent windows and cab vents for airflow, and a sliding rear window. It rides on Mickey Thompson mag wheels with all-terrain tires that still have great tread, enhancing both its stance and capability. The interior is in solid condition, rated 8 out of 10, while the paint shows some age with a 6 out of 10 rating. Number 3. 1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,800, powered by a strong 5.3-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 170,750 miles on the odometer, it still runs and drives smoothly, showing no known mechanical issues. All features and systems function as intended, making it a dependable choice for daily use or work-related tasks. The truck comes in a classic black exterior with a clean gray interior, offering a timeless look that complements its durable performance. It runs on gasoline and features a standard wheelbase, providing a balanced combination of stability and maneuverability. While the vehicle does show signs of typical wear consistent with its age, it remains in overall average to above average condition. Number 4. 1985 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. It has traveled approximately 100,000 miles. It features a tan exterior paired with a brown interior, giving it a timeless and original look. Powered by a dependable 350 small block V8 engine and equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission with a granny low gear, this truck offers solid performance and reliability. The vehicle runs and drives smoothly, and despite its age, remains in good shape overall. There is a bit of rust present on the driver's side rocker panel and cab corner, but nothing major that affects the truck's drivability. Importantly, it has never been modified with aftermarket accessories or lift kits, preserving its original character. With its clean, unaltered condition and durable mechanical setup, this Chevrolet 1500 stands as a trustworthy and capable classic truck. Number 5. 1998 Chevrolet 3500, price $6,500, equipped with a V8 6.5L diesel engine and rear-wheel drive. It has approximately 240,000 miles on it, yet still runs and drives exceptionally well. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly, and the truck handles confidently on the road. It comes finished in a bold green exterior, complemented by a clean gray interior that gives it a rugged, no-nonsense look. One of the standout features of this truck is its ice-cold air conditioning, making it a comfortable drive even in hot weather. The tires are all in great condition with plenty of tread left, so it's ready to hit the road without immediate need for replacements. While the vehicle is mechanically sound, the brakes will need attention soon, which is the only noted issue. Number 6. 1976 Chevrolet C30, price $6,800. This is a classic heavy-duty truck that combines rugged performance with vintage charm. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, it features a powerful 454 big block V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck runs, drives, and shifts great, making it ready for the road without hesitation. While there is some minor rust in a few areas, it's nothing significant or concerning for a truck of this age. The body remains solid overall, and the truck retains its cool, old-school appeal. A gooseneck ball is already installed in the bed, making it ideal for towing heavier loads or hauling equipment. This C30 comes with a clean and clear title, and it's fully capable of being driven home.
Number 7.
2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,900. This truck is a rare find with only 59,000 original miles and has been owned by a single owner since new. Finished in a rich burgundy exterior with a clean gray interior, this 3-door extended cab short bed 4x4 remains fully original and fully loaded from the factory. Powered by the reliable 5.3L Vortec V8 engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, the truck starts, runs, and drives well. Although it has spent most of its life sitting, it remains in solid mechanical condition with good tires and a new battery recently installed. This Sierra runs on gasoline and is a great example of a well-preserved, low-mileage truck that's ready to be enjoyed or collected.
Number 8.
1988 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,500. It has traveled 200,800 miles and features an automatic 4L60 transmission that was rebuilt within the past year. The truck is powered by a 5.7L 350 V8 engine, with the front end recently rebuilt, including a new timing chain, harmonic balancer, distributor, plugs, and wires. It has a striking red exterior and matching red interior, with 90s-style bucket seats where the driver's seat is electric for added comfort. The truck has undergone extensive maintenance and upgrades, including new pitman arms, ball joints, bushings, and tie rods, as well as new tires. The steering shaft and worm gear have been replaced, and the brake system upgraded with a newer Chevy-style master cylinder and properly adjusted brakes. Additional enhancements include the addition of a 7-pin trailer plug, a transmission cooler for improved performance, and off-road lights wired to the reverse lights for better visibility. The armrests and headliner have been professionally upholstered, giving the interior a refreshed look.
Number 9.
1969 Chevrolet C10, price $9,500. This is a running and driving project truck that presents a solid foundation for restoration or customization. It is equipped with a reliable small block 350 engine, paired with a turbo 250 automatic transmission and a sturdy 12-bolt rear end. Originally a long bed, the truck has been professionally shortened, and the modification was done with care, resulting in a clean and well-executed finish. The body is overall in good shape, with the exception of the right front fender, which shows some wear. The structural integrity is impressive, featuring solid floors, rockers, and braces, making this a strong candidate for continued improvement or enjoyment as is.
Number 10.
1986 Chevrolet C20, price $5,500, offered by its original owner with only 48,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in classic white with a blue interior, this 4-door truck is powered by a reliable 350 V8 gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission. It runs and drives great, showing no signs of leaks, and has recently received several mechanical updates to ensure continued performance. Recent maintenance includes a new fuel tank and fuel pump, new spark plugs and wires, as well as a rebuilt carburetor. The truck also features new headlights, new tail lights, and fresh tail light covers. It's equipped with 3 functional toolboxes, making it especially practical for work-related use.